My dear brothers and sisters, I'm sure we have a number of holy pictures of Our Lady. And I'm sure each of them, one of them depict a particular event in our life. And throughout our state, over 150 chapels are dedicated to Our Lady under different titles. I have not seen any chapel dedicated to Our Lady, the Lady of Sorrows. When you look at this picture of Lady of Sorrows, we see the heart of Mary out in a way, and the 7 daggers piercing her heart. And the heart, as you know, the symbol of love and affection too, which in a way is also a symbol of pain. And so today when we have this feast of Our Lady of Sorrows, we look at the sorrows of Our Lady. Traditionally, this feast was limited, or pains limited to the passion narrative that are just part of it I read to you. But in the course of time, the 7 sorrows were included in this feast, and they starting from the flight into Egypt, the loss of Jesus in the temple, and then Mary meeting Jesus on the way to Calvary, and Mary standing at the cross, and so on, till Jesus is buried in the tomb. The 7 sorrows of Our Lady. The prophecy which was foretold by Simeon when they went to offer the child to the God. And Simeon had said, a soul will pass to your own soul. And Mary, when contemplating the herself, what does this really mean? A soul shall pass her own soul. And you see 7 souls passing to her soul. So when I look at Mary, we realize that this is the consequence of her fiat. When God announced to her, you are going to be the mother of my son. So the consequence of right to our life of sorrows. And so we too, when we make a commitment to anyone, maybe to a husband, maybe to a wife, to our children, to our profession, whatever it is, we have a commitment. Commitment to live by it till the end of our life. And right, when we live a commitment, we realize it's not an easy commitment. There are pains, there are sorrows to our life. Therefore, we look at a Mary on this feast and we take her as a model for us. That as she made a commitment, so our commitment may be true, and so we ask her help, her intercession. That when sorrows do come, when they always come, we look at her, today especially this feast of 7 daggers, and ask for strength and ask for guidance.